Replace button panel. Turn off and unplug the power cord. Remove the back cover. Disconnect the wiring. Loosen the screws. Remove the digital watch. Remove the screws from the support plate. Remove the screws from the watch cover. Remove the motor cover screws and lift the motor cover. Disconnect the wiring here and remove the wire from the post. Lift the digital watch. Remove all the screws from the back of the electronic watch. After removing the two bolts on the front, lift the cover at the back. Remove the bolts from the left and right armrests and pull them out forcefully. When lifting the metal frame, be careful not to get the wires tangled. Take out the button panel and tighten the corresponding bolts. When reassembling the metal frame, hot melt adhesive should be applied to the handrails.